In this lesson, we'll see the Web API content negotiation with an example. So what is content negotiation? One of the standards of RESTful services is that the client should be able to decide the format of the response from the server. For example, if the client wants the response in XML or JSON format and so on. When a client sends a request to the server, the request includes something called accept header. Using this accept header, the client can specify the format which they want from the server. If the accept header is XML, the server sends the response in XML format. If it is in the JSON, then the server sends the response in the JSON format. Let's understand this content negotiation inside our API. So let's run this project. Then we need to provide the accept header value. So I'm going to click on this headers tab and then just set the accept header value to application/JSON. Okay, now initiate this request and we got the data in the JSON format. Now let's click on the headers and see the content negotiation. When you click on the header, the content type is application/JSON. That means the client has requested the output in the JSON format. By default in ASP.NET Core Web API, the response comes in the JSON format. However, if you want to get the response in XML format, then you just need to specify the accept header value to application/XML. Now just initiate the request. And this time we got the data again in the JSON format. And that's because by default ASP.NET Core Web API only supports JSON format. And in order to receive the data in the XML format, we need to configure our .NET Core Web API project so that it can support the XML format. So in the next lesson, we'll implement this feature.